Chris Bit, the drummer boy, and of course Skales himself. The name is studio. How fun, guys?
My brother.
Mr. Godwin.
Skales,
I
how
greet
now?
you, boss. I'm
Me
good,
and Skales will be there together for our insurance award. What we do last year?
Yes, sir.
I go see call you again.
No, Alan, I'm full ground for you anytime.
So we'll go see to another edition this year. Skales definitely go there. But Skales been there to honor us, support us for our insurance awards. What we do last year, and of course Chris Beat. If I don't come studio past Skills in the last few years, but Chris, how far now?
I do alright.
What in the happen? What's in the shop?
We did.
I like your beautiful baby.
We did pay school fees.
Oh boy, see Skills, Chris Beat. See, my son get one kind bad score for JAMB. They said that only 70,000 people get over 200, and then almost 2 million people no get up to 200. My son get 244.
Wow.
So normally that one time I'm now straight A student. So if you finish in WAEC now, university they look me for fun. And I don't want me to go Nigerian school, Nigerian university. No government one because strike go hold on. So now I know private university what it means. So as you call school fees now, I just
your mind.
Say by the time this boy finish this WAEC, it already they write the WAEC. The moment when you finish, now university, now they look like this. So another I said, don't worry, get straight A's with your JAMB score. I go call the uncles, Chris B.
Yes.
I tell you.
Okay, so he don't get straight A's. So since school won't put them, you have more free time.
Blessings.
Well, we thank God for that they provide for us and all that. All right, so I mean, Skales, I see one thing where you talk recently. So, they don't date over 100 girls. You know, say, I lie you not. I did here on. I see on Monday, I be Wednesday.
Yeah.
When I read them, I can't count on air. Listeners go to I can't count how many girls I don't date after I read that your team.
Yeah.
No, I stopped for I think 13 or 14 for my lifetime. I say, but Skills don't do 100. How you manage and Skills?
Oh, I don't know, man. You know, say I be lover boy now, so I just they run the P. They go
100 girls.
I'm telling you, bro. I don't date girls where they could come tell me say we date before. I see. I don't know if you remember. I did tell you. But now when see this thing what they tell you, and it did like movie. But now when they come show me pictures, I say, oh,
you did. So wait,
yeah, if it be,
you don't even remember.
I did tell you many. I be, you know, say the thing, you know that kind of thing when you like, I be young boy that time. Like, remember that time now me and we now we young boys now all the girls one day with us.
No, they
apart from girls, even old mama, everybody one day with us. So we do many things. I do many things. I don't make us speak for myself. I do many things.
But your body count,
now you take nowhere, man. Now I can now
God go forgive
Please,
me.
How far?
God don't forgive me already. So I don't change. I'm a changed man. I don't grow. Those times were youthful exuberance.
Okay.
I still be you too, but just the youth don't
sure
wise.
I reach like that.
No, Chris, you reach like half, like 50.
I no go call them dates. I know dates. So
okay. Both dates and general.
So if not general affair, maybe
like 50.
Maybe more. You know.
Maybe more.
Yeah.
Like 75.
I mean. Those days.
But Skales, that means if we go beyond dating plus general, now like 250.
So now it's Skales.
Even go there. The thing is crazy.
No, because I begin to count on my finger. And when I count, when I reach out, one guy they say call you useless. So nobody said I can't mention their name. Their first
you even
name.
know their name.
I remember their name. I can't mention our first dimension. I said my first ever girlfriend, Patience. Then when I enter university, I come there with Nancy, and then Yetunde, and then there is Jezreel, and then you can't get Carol, can't get Vivian, Chioma. You know, that's why they mention their name. You get one,
and I saw body they follow.
You get one Kenya, of course. Now,
Kenya for Kenya.
No, she be Kenya, Nigerian. We call her Kenya.
My brother, if you want side account, don't forget say I travel around the world.
I won't talk. I want to give you constant.
So Chinese day, Chinese day, Arabo day. American day, Brazil day.
If I'm more concentrated on the music, because at this stage I give up.
No, I'm a changed man.
And I
changed from a long time ago. Right now, I'm just speaking of my past
yes.
misbehaviors.
Yes, it's good. I mean, we thank God for everything. I just make I ask you that one. Okay, so Chris, two of them can come together. It's going. Of course, I don't need to ask who produced the track because when we get superstar producer like Chris Beach, I know when they ask who produced track for. So, but how this is going, how the track they come about, what it inspire?
And Skales now writes like all the songs. So me, I just tell him, say, okay, he gets waiting and they try create. So I send down the beats. Then he send me the song back 100%.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now so it just stay happen like that.
That's so it take happen.
Okay.
I don't know if Skales can't do extra work.
Okay, you do any extra work?
For me now, and the song was inspired by what I go through at the moment. You know, if you follow me for online, you go see I don't get so many, I don't throw many tantrums, I don't do many meltdowns. But I'm not gonna lie, they laugh people where they lose people. I know beside they laugh them, but they wonder, see why this person they behave like this. But now, it don't happen to me. I not gonna lie you. Sometimes I could just wake up, just the vex, say why my mama die and other people mama they alive. So all those kind of things they affects me till now. Sometimes I could just I feel day club self I go lose. So I my own form of therapy now make a sing down for my music. And if you check all my new songs from as I wake up to I did talk about like just things that can encourage someone, uplift someone. And so when he sent me the beats, now waiting just enter my mind with that. I want to even send out to her, actually, because I know hear from my wife, say you know like the song. Now later on, he can send me message, say, this thing, I can say, I still not hear from you since like 2 days after.
You know like this.
I say, I think say you know like this song.
Okay. Or 2 in 1, name with this. Okay, so what's more would they expect next from 12 now? What would they expect video for this song? What's it be the plan? I mean, I just one of, I just do this one, or they look project for front.
Yeah, so we get projects where they come as well.
Okay.
And this one, I just say make people use this one. They see road first, and it's going to feature Wave Choir and Kimwell.
Okay.
They're inside the song too. So Kimwell now one of the artists where we announce soon with proper himself get songs really out too. Very hot guy,
very good artist, man.
And very talented. So
and I don't hear say projects there for front. So when would they expect them? Or no timeline yet?
No timeline, but we work on them.
But definitely this year.
I mean, anything can happen as they go like this. Anything can happen. But this is a sign for us to finish a project. Give them like 10 songs. You know.
Okay, Skales. Somebody say, "Good afternoon, God. This song enter, but Skales. Most of your songs these days they be like gospel." Let me ask Skales where he is from because I hear say now from Akoko Edo. My name na Angel from Alagbado.
Yeah. I'm from Akoko Edo.
Yeah. Okay. Good day, guys. The song sharp.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, it's going. This one, a Nati from Benin City.
No.
All right, Nati from Benin City. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, God Godwin and Mr. Skales. Nice jam. I hear saying that Skales they write most of Whiskey songs those days. Not true. Mr. Nati, I don't know Skales. Answer by yourself.
No, so I don't talk this entire like. So we've been team before. So normally when you be team, you get times where person feel just suggest, just help you write something.
Yes.
So you don't do it for me, myself I don't do it for
exactly.
You get me? So that's what it be. I know, and I don't clarify this entire. But you know how like all these fan base gang up what they always do. They always carry something twist them to favor their favorites. I think so.
Okay. So good afternoon, God Godwin. Skales, I love your voice. Chris Beat, shout out, and also how you talk. I don't know what you mean by how you talk, but. You can't end up with how you talk. I don't understand. Good afternoon, God Godwin. Nice song from Skales and Chris Beat. I remember the first song of Chris Beat I listened to years ago. Erima. Nice jam, man. Big up, guys. James from our papa.
Thank you, James.
Yeah, James from our papa. So James, I'm on the floor. Good afternoon to you, the ladies baller. It's going. Thank God it's going. On behalf of the listeners and everybody, we don't tell them. I don't let that project today, yeah. Thank you very much.
No good. This one a sign say make it nothing.
Yes, because people don't they talk, people don't they feel like you understand. Meanwhile, everybody go stream, download, share, and like the song. And of course, we they wait for project for them to come out. We will also encourage you now to do a video for this song.
Definitely.
When I do a video for this song, okay. So apart from that, anything else I want to add for I think for come up for studio like this.
Yeah, so we they shoot the second song, the Break Your Back. We they shoot maybe next week.
Okay.
So yeah, and this one day out now. Make everybody go stream am.
Okay, for another year, and this one day is going day out.
Break your back.
Day out. Stream, download, share them on all platforms today.
Sir.
And soon I go get video for Break Your Back as it hot. And then when the project they come, definitely Chris go come back again. I will come back and tell us. We'll talk about the project and then know how we'll take waiting go there inside the whole stuff like that. Always a pleasure having you guys in the studio. Chris Beat, Skales.
Yeah,
Chris Beat, help us hail madam. You know they get controversy like Skales. you know they get you too clean for my likeness.
Make my what do they call her? Make my picking grow small so that I go feed it.
Okay, actually, now waiting after don't be waiting. So, Skales, you still believe in love, genuine love and marriage? You still believe in love and marriage?
I mean, I don't want to talk about the other one, but I will talk about. I don't know if I believe in love anymore. Like I've been there with someone, Kelly. When they tell me say why don't you show affection anymore? And I know will lie you. So it be like say after my mom died, love just died from my heart. Like you know, like and it takes a lot for me to. The only person I know that when I look her, I love her and my daughter. You know that one. And my heart they always melts when I see her. You know that kind of thing. But I don't know. Love no this generation. This generation truly. This generation don't mess everything.
All of us are the same thing. We get daughters.
Yeah.
Me I don't get daughter.
God know why he give me daughter.
Truly, it did different. For the love, it did different for your picking. So for me, for instance, I did tell my manager the other day, say, now I understand why most artists know they involved for their children life. You understand? Me in a decision where I make say, see this picking, see you feel know at least, this is my father, this is this is that. You know, so. The sacrifice on our side as musicians, it did a lot. If you really want the insight, say you want to show the love the way it be. You understand? So, which is why, unlike waiting Skales talk now, say if you see in own picking, now then the real love it feel.
Yeah.
Fact, 100%. The way I love my babe, no be so it be.
No, see, when life don't show you some kind of things, you go understand. One day I go tell my story and people go understand where they come from. When I say this love thing, they get as it be.
Don't worry, when I start my podcast, I'll carry you go talk. Clip, how you go describe this song? Because I know see your kind of music these days, no be one way. They get different things out together. How you go describe this music? Now, like all those your ADM.
So now it still gets Afro dance music inside.
Okay.
So because waiting we use the choir sample do. So shout out to Wave Choir by the way. So waiting we use them do on top the song. It bring them back to my now like Afro dance music with. We can't sprinkle, you know when you cook where you put extra Maggi. So the house Maggi there as well.
Yes. Yeah. You know those kind of ingredient where you just put, you not go too tough for fire, you just come out like you garnish the top.
Yeah, make it for a day.
Okay, I mean you not superstar producer anyway, and Skales of course. Skales now be one of the people they confuse us for this industry. Skales na rapper, na singer, na everything. In fact, you be octopus.
Music na art. Music be actor now.
Yeah, you be actor.
Yeah.
You be
music na art. See, the problem is the difference between Skales and a lot of artists, and I don't mean to brag or anything. Is what has kept me this long is the fact that I don't see music as this is just one thing I'm going to do. I see music as a canvas where is whatever I feel at that moment, however I feel like I should express myself. Like if I say today I want rap, if I say today I want just to talk, you understand? On top beats where you get melody. Now my new style be that you could just, you understand? I believe say anybody will be my true fan will follow me on any journey where I
so you could just use melody well put together.
Yes.
Give expression to what they feel at that particular
Yes. Like the new Skales now is about my feelings, about my emotions, which I just hear that person will comment say my music it sounds like church music. Me no vex. Now my soul like they sing about it now. So and really he just needs to understand it. You know, trust me, if Nagbedu you want, I will still give you that Nagbedu, but I will still tell you my story. Funny enough, make I even take you back to Shake Body because I just celebrate 10 years of Shake Body. If you listen to the lyrics of Shake Body, now my story have been the talk. I did talk about how I come from Kaduna and I did Lagos now. How even girls don't they show me pepper scenes, but we just they still they roll it down together. For me, make us still go back to this one. For me to come back there, I'll be broken man because girls don't show me pepper, brother.
I mean, say not be breakfast. You don't chop buffet.
I don't chop buffet. The different kinds, different kinds. You know, different chefs. They don't give me.
Don't give you so. But all those experiences too, they guide your decisions in future. And of course, so when you sing, they get enough to pull from. You know, to fit pass on the right message and all that. You know, this song get any kind of dance move or whatever.
No, break your back, get your back, get that move.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys, for coming.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.